Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I promised I was going to be uploading another software. Now if you don't know, I've been having a series of uploading of softwares. This is software for non-gaming laptops. You don't need a gaming laptop for this software. This currently is running on my own PC and an HP EliteBook. This is what is running currently on an HP EliteBook. It is, as you can see, it is completely reliant on your network, so it is connected to the cloud. But for this one, you don't really need to make payments, because I think there are a lot of platforms for this, but you have to make payments per call. If you want to call, you have to make payment and so on and so forth. But for this one, you don't really have to make payment. So I'm going to show you how this thing works. This the icing picture is the picture there by default. So let me upload a new another picture and show you how it works. Okay. So I'm just going to be doing it quickly. So if you want to get this software, you can send a DM, or you can use the link below. The link to the software is below, or you can send a DM to me. And this video is strictly for educational purpose. This video is strictly for educational purpose. You should know that these things that exist out there, and you should be aware of them. In case someone uses something like this to call you, you should be aware of the you should know that these things exist. Yeah, so basically, let's do that again. So if it shows you the timeout first, you place it again for the timeout. Or let me use this. Very good. So this is strictly for educational purpose. So these are sample pictures. These are sample pictures. So I just want to show you how it is. And works on gaming laptops, works on non-gaming laptop. It is very sleek. You just need a very good network for you to be able to use it, as you can see. And your hand movement are going with it. You drop it also, it drops with it. You wave, it waves with you. So you drop it and it goes. So you don't have to bother about the air. I'm trying to shift back now. So you don't have to bother about the air. As you can see, your air is intact. You don't have to bother about it. Your air is intact. So this is a very good software, a very powerful software. As you can see, it's a very good software. So thank you very much. This is good news, because before now it's just for non-gaming laptops, but now we have something for. Before now it's just for gaming laptops, but for now we have something for gaming laptops. So you can send a DM to get installation guides. You can send a DM to know more about this, or you can just get the link on the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.